Hey y'all, I just wanted to come back on. I was just on with Marilyn and Patrice, but I wanted to come on and tell you guys that the Bling Fling tickets are live now. So we have partnered with Applique Getaway in Irving, Texas to do a Bling Fling party. So if you're interested in coming to attend a smaller version of a bling party. Now the bling party we had in October is a little bit bigger of an event. But the Bling Fling is more for social interaction and for beginners, especially for beginners. So if you're in the Texas area around the end of June, definitely click the link in the description below so that you can get your tickets, which are now available, and come hang out with us at a Bling Fling in Irving, Texas. And at the same time, you'll also be able to browse through the different vendors that will be there, because they will have different vendors for embroidery, for rhinestones, for vinyl, for sublimation, all kinds of cool stuff. Some names you will know, some names you will learn. And they also have classes. So, Applique Getaway is a super cool event that if you are in the crafting arena, it's worth the opportunity to go. So, definitely come check us out for our Bling Fling. Holler! Hope to see you there.